As a realtor, I love working with Fairway because of how fast they can close. In this competitive market, it is critical to be able to close as quickly as possible, and not all lenders can close in a 30-day period, but Fairway can. So that really helps me differentiate my clients and our buyers with the competition to the listing agent.
So from the loan officer to processing to underwriting to the closing department, everyone is all communicating and working to close those loans in that short amount of time. Underwriting at Fairway is great. Their turn times are 2 to 4 days in conventional loans, no matter what time of year, which is fantastic because you can get an offer accepted on a Monday and have it approved by a Friday. And that's pretty unheard of in the mortgage industry. A loan officer can talk directly to an underwriter. You know, someplace it's siloed, right? Like, oh, you don't talk to an underwriter. But we're all working on the same goal, which is to get that loan cleared. And if there's issues, how do we fix it and make sure we can get our client to the closing table?
Another reason why I love working with Fairway is because of the Fairway Advantage program. This program allows buyers to be pre-underwritten, which means that I can compete with cash when I'm submitting their offer. All they need is an appraisal, and we can close as quickly as 2 weeks.
The reason I love working at Fairway is because everyone cares. Everyone gets back to you. It's almost like a big family. If anyone reaches out to me, I know I'll get back to them at least within 24 hours, usually 4. Clients will reach out for a pre-approval on a Saturday, and we're able to do that within hours. Processing, if a client reaches out, they will respond almost immediately. Underwriting, if there's an issue as far as an income question or, what do you mean by this condition, we hear back instantaneously. And then once that loan gets to closing, it just flies.
As a realtor, I love working with Fairway because they can be flexible with rates. How I introduce loan officers at Fairway is that this is someone who I can trust to get the job done and who's going to do things in your best interests. If you want to rate shop, go ahead. I'm confident that Fairway can match the rate, and I want you to have a good experience.
It's that whole culture of caring about each other, but also caring about our clients that I think sets Fairway apart. It's not a transaction, it's having someone achieve the American dream.